Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dr. Naveed Muhammad Pharmacology Lectures, Department of Pharmacy, Abdul Ali Khan University, Mardan, Pakistan. We are discussing the concept of inductive effect. So, inductive effect is defined as the polarity induced in a molecule due to adjacent polar bond or electronegative atom, and that polarity is then transmitted along the chain or ring is known as inductive effect. So inductive effect is that polarity, first of all, which is induced. Secondly, this induction of polarity they will be due to adjacent polar bond or adjacent connected electronegative atom. And third one, this polarity must be transmitted along the chain or ring. So this phenomena is known as inductive effect. There are few characteristics of inductive effect. The inductive effect must be induced due to electronegativity difference between two adjacent atoms. This is first characteristic. Number second characteristic is the polarity induced must be transmitted, and that transmission must be occur through sigma bonds. In comparison to resonance effect, there was delocalization of pi electrons. But in case of inductive effect, the transmission will be initiated and transmission must be occur through sigma bonds. Number next characteristic, the magnitude of polarity will decrease once you go away from the atom which induce the polarity. For example, consider this example and then apply the definition as well as the characteristics. So let's suppose this is a molecule. The atom A is more electronegative as compared to this C. So due to this more electronegativity, the A